Orlando Pirates defender Nkosinathi Sibisi has lifted the lead on the tactical emphasis head coach Abdisalam Wadu has instilled in the squad, and it's no surprise the focus is firmly on defense. Wadu, who took charge of the Buccaneers in June, wasted no time reshaping the squad, despite inheriting a team that had just lifted a domestic cup, reached the CAF Champions League semi-finals and finished second in Betway Premiership. The Moroccan oversaw an aggressive recruitment drive that brought in 14 new signings. Among those additions were defenders Libona Sima, Kosikon Ndaba, and the adaptable Kamogelo Sebelebele, while right back Tsepo Mashoelana was immediately loaned to Sekhukhune United. Yet it's the centre-back department that has attracted the most attention, and for good reason. Pirates have kept 3 consecutive clean sheets, signaling a growing defensive stability, with options such as Sibisi Sima, Olisanda, Tabile Koki, Tabiso Sisane, and Mbekisile Mbokazi. Wadu has enviable depth in central defense. His background as a seasoned centre-back with Premier Soccer League experience at Fulham and over 50 caps for Morocco, including 4 AFCON tournaments, is evident in the team's recent performances. CBC said, "In the months I've worked with the coach, you can clearly see he was a defender. His main focus is keeping clean sheets. They always say defenders win titles, and for us it's important to keep those clean sheets coming." CBC added that every match begins with a clear collective objective, regardless of whether a player is starting or coming off the bench. That's my biggest takeaway from working with him. This season, Pirates' large squad has also been a talking point, anticipating a demanding campaign split between domestic competitions and continental commitments. Wadu opted for depth in every department. That decision has resulted in heavy rotation, a clear message that no place in the starting lineup is guaranteed. However, the Moroccan tactician has managed to maintain harmony and competitiveness in the camp. CBC said, "It hasn't been a challenge. We started with 2 losses, and that's when our character was tested. The question was, can we dig deep? Can we come back?" And the boys showed the character. Whoever plays gives their best. No matter the position, everyone gets their chance, and when they do, they take it. From there, it's up to the coach to decide. With defensive discipline now firmly embedded and squad depth beginning to show its value, Wadu's blueprint for a tougher, more resilient Pirates side is becoming increasingly visible. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.